Just feel the eeriness. All you can hear is your voice echoing throughout. And welcome back to a brand new video. So it's Wednesday and we're just near the Big Blue Hotel. So a lot of people know this one. A lot of people have stayed in this one and it's got quite a good review. And like I said, this is in the south side of Blackpool. There we go, that's the Big Blue Hotel. And let's just whip the camera up there a little. You can see the Henson Hotel. And let's just pan the camera around to the right, because we filmed this one about 6 months ago, and there's a lot of work being carried out with this one. There's skips outside, there's freezers, there's all sorts, and you can see now, you know, it's starting to get sort of done up, shall I say. It's certainly looking a lot smarter now than it was sort of 6 months ago. So it'll be interesting when this one opens up again. So what we're going to do, we're going to have a bit of a walk around the south side of Blackpool, which includes like I mean, this is a nice one, the Boulevard Hotel. Look at that one, how smart that one looks. Certainly an exclusive hotel, shall I say. So what we're going to do, like I said, we're going to have a bit of a walk around the Pleasure Beach, the Sand Castle, and around the south side, because it is, honestly, I was driving up here and I think there's like 2-3 people. It's absolutely dead this time of night. So like I said, we're going to have a bit of a walk and I'll just show you how quiet the south side is. So you can see, you know, just where the bus stop is directly in front, all along here in the summer, it's absolutely rammed. You can't get a space. There's no spaces at all. You're just driving around, just trying to find that space, and you can see there's one car parked up. And I'd imagine that's probably even broken down. And it's just, it's eerie. It's very quiet. There's just no life on the south side. You can see the illuminations look fantastic. You can see the Pleasure Beach all night closed down, and it's just looks dark. But yeah, there's just not a soul around. I mean, all these cars you can go in to and from, they're just sort of coming, or shall I say, going home from work. But yeah, you can see, as of present, there's not a soul in sight. So you can see again, we've moved on further. Let's just carry on, and we'll see how many people we can spot tonight. Again, you know, let's move the camera to the left. No one around. No one. It's just, it's very, very, it's like the human race has vanished, apart from the cars. It's like there's not a soul around. It's absolutely extraordinary. I know it's, you know, it's out of season, but you'd have thought there'd been the odd person walking around, you know, maybe dog walking. But there's no one. It's like everybody's vanished. Well, nobody. No one in sight. So we're just near the Sandcastle Water Park, so I'm going to have a bit of a walk there. And honestly, you'd think it's like either really late at night, you know, like 12 o'clock or early hours of the morning. I'm not having you on, look. Let's have a look at my phone. So we can see, there we go. So you can see that very well, 4:30. Let's just get it on there, and you can see the date and time. So it's 4:30. And there's nothing, no sign of life. No sign of life whatsoever. It's, I know it's out of season, but you know. Hello, hello, hello. Nothing. No one around. Let's carry on. So just looking over towards the Velvet Coaster, and I think there's one person. There's one person. There we go. So we found one person so far at the Velvet Coaster, and looks like there's no one else actually in there. Is there any life on the tram? Let's have a look. See if there's any life on the tram. Is anybody even coming up that way? Let's have a quick look in the tram. Can we see anybody? And there's a couple of people on there. So far, we've seen one person walking around the whole of the south side. So just approached the South Pier. Looks like the amusement is open. Obviously the pier's not open. In fact, actually, the pier is open. Look at that. So it looks like you can actually go in there. But there's no one on there. It's all blacked out, shall I say, blacked out. But you can see there's no one even in the arcade. Look at that. Let's have a quick look in. And you can see even the arcade is completely deserted. So this is where the Pablo's Fish and Chips is, and you got a little arcade on the corner. And again, it's just starting to rain a little. Again, there's not a soul in sight. So we've seen one person so far. So we're just near that quite a recently opened up one. The Catch. It's called The Catch. Traditional fish and chips. And Montague Street, and you can see that one's closed today. I'd imagine it'll probably be open the weekends. So we'll go down this street, and we'll go back onto the promenade, because at the moment we've found one person. It looks like it's probably a member of staff at the Velvet Coaster. Yeah, like I said, you'd think it's late on at night. The way we're walking around these streets, you wouldn't think it's 4:30 on a Wednesday. Crazy. Like I say, you can just see. You can hear a pin drop. It's really unusual. I mean, I thought I'd show you, a bit of excitement. Something must be going on. As of present, there's nothing. So I have spotted something. There must be about 100 Christmas trees in this little pitch and putt, shall I say, near the pleasure beach, and there's hundreds of them. So are these all going to get distributed around? Look at that, there's loads of them. Maybe you can see, it's very clear, but there's an awful lot of these little Christmas trees with red baubles on in the pitch and putt near the pleasure beach. Look at that. So we're just near one of the entrances, because I believe I can see a really nice Christmas tree at the pleasure beach, and it was just shining through when I had a quick look. So I'm gonna have a quick look around this corner and just see if I am right, unless I'm seeing things. So somebody's just leaving there, and you can see, where is it? Can you see a tree? Or am I imagining it? Oh, there was one. Oh, there we go. We can just see it. There we go. You see that lovely tree there. Let's have a quick look through the balcony, and there we go. Just see the tree there all lit up. So we're just going under the pleasure beach at the moment. This is the like a tunnel what runs right underneath, and you can see there's no one around. And, so we went sort of halfway up. It didn't really lead to anywhere, but hello, no one around. So at the moment we've come across 3 people. So I'd imagine the little pay meter on the right hand side, I don't think that's going to be taking much money in the next few weeks. There you go. I think that will be won't be taking an awful lot. So it's a bit of a strange video tonight, to be fair. I thought I'd just have a bit of a walk near the south side, see what's open, and rather than just the promenade all the time. There's not much you can really cover. Let's wait for this car to cross the road. There's not much you can really cover when it's dark, and when you're working, you can't really get out during the day. This car's certainly speeding along. There we go. And so it's hard to bring, some great things sometimes. Look at this one, Hotel Avano. And that looks like it's closed for the season. There's many of these hotels up this side. Obviously there's not a lot of people come out of season. But yeah, so I hope you enjoyed this bit of a strange video. We've seen 3 people. There's the Silver Sands Hotel. And, see, that's they've got the old Christmas trees in the window, and we'll end back at the big blue one. But yeah, I hope you enjoyed this bit of a strange one. Apologies, we didn't really see that much, not much life, shall I say, but it's certainly an eye-opener. For 4:30, 5 o'clock on a walk around. I've been walking around for about an hour now. It's about sort of 6:30. Been walking around for an hour, and we've seen 3 people. Apart from the cars driving past, 3 people in the whole of the south side of Blackpool. So until next time, take care, and it is a bye from me. Bye bye.